Hello friends, good evening. I am Rohit and in the screen you are showing that before and after image of a girl, and we are going to retouching the skin of her by using Photoshop, and we make it more beautiful from using Photoshop tools. This is our background layer and we have to copy it by pressing Ctrl J. We make the duplicate and deactivate the background layer, and we are going to use spot heal brush here. Spot heal brush, we please make sure that use spot heal brush very soft, otherwise this type of mistakes will be done. So use very soft and make hardness very slow. Hardness is 10 to 15% is good for better results. And the spot heal brush is not working fine, so I'm going to use the brush tool. And here is our brush tool, and I'm going to select uh, it by size 125, and hardness is as per requirement, and filling the all areas. And I need new layer. I need to fill that all in new layer, so taking new layer and start filling there in our object. And I need to make the brush larger because brush is too small and our object is too big, so it takes lots time. Now started feeling very good than previous. Choose the all skin area using brush tool and fill the white color there, and compulsory fill the white color because we are going to make it beautiful. We are going to make it light. Going to make it light. Select all the areas very carefully, and we missed few areas, so we are going to again there and make it white. After selecting, we have to change the blending mode from normal to soft light is the best for the skin retouching in Photoshop. Now it's looking good before than before. This is our layer 1, and we need to make eyebrows black because our white brush make it light. So we need it black. And continue continue with this black brush and filling eyebrows. Now it's looking very nice. Zoom out by pressing Ctrl plus command, and now I need selective color, and we are going to make it white. So cyan is in minus, magenta, yellow, black, all colors. Just set it in the minus degrees. Now selecting layers have a mask with selecting color 1, I'm going to close it, and again we are going to merge the layer. Select all layer and press Ctrl E. Result is very nice, but we need more beautiful image. So go to filter menu, select camera raw filter, and make temperature, templates, vibrations, hue, everything high. Not too much too high, but as per your requirement. Here temperature needed 23 plus 23, tint needed plus 22, 20, and whitish area we need in this image 15 to 20. And now we are increasing vibrations of image. 50 to 60 is good, and mount as it is, and luminance we have to increase for the best results, and we are going to set it 50 to 55. Now it's looking very nice, and if all done, then just press OK. This is our new image. Just press OK. Now we are going to make it more light, so use dot command, and use highlight in the range exposure is 10% is very nice, and select the dark area to make it light, and when we are spotting the white areas light and it's not looking on the good in image, so we have to make it dark. For making them dark, we need burn tool. First we complete this dog tool, and after completing using of this dog tool, we are selecting burn tool, and we need to remove the dark areas so it's mid-tones, and we are doing it by exposure 19 percentage, and it's now looking very good. Make the eyes black because our white brush make it also light. Create the new layer, and now we are going to make eyes more black. Select the brush tool. Hardness of brush is to very low. Mount, and fill the eyes by black color. Now it's looking very nice than previous one. You can use burn tool also for making dark, and our eyes is already looking nice, so we don't need it more. Now we are going to make lips more attractive. Select the color of your lipsticks and just fill here. After completing the selects, fill your data in your object. Just change the blending mode to soften from normal. This is our first image. This is our selective color. After selecting the color, selective color copy, and our final image. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and subscribe our channel.